Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just someone who loves having the right tools at hand, today's video is for you. We're counting down the top five best adjustable wrenches of 2025, from heavy-duty classics to innovative designs that make every job easier. Stick around because we'll show you what makes each one stand out and which wrench might be perfect for your toolbox. And don't forget, the links to all the wrenches we review are in the description below, so you can check them out or grab one for yourself in just a click. 5. Evil Energy 4A Aero 5B. Upgrade your toolkit with this adjustable aluminum wrench, perfect for precision work on aluminum fittings. With an adjustable range from 3AN to 16AN, it replaces multiple wrenches in one handy tool. Made from lightweight 6DL61T6 aluminum, it's ideal for aluminum fittings. Just wrap the jaws with electrical tape for extra protection. The four-sided contact design ensures a secure grip on every fitting, while its curved, non-slip handle provides maximum comfort and control during use. Compact yet durable, it measures 7.2 inches long, 2.7 inches wide, and 0.52 inches thick, making it a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CMMT12001. Upgrade your toolbox with the CRAFTSMAN Adjustable Wrench Set, a three-piece all-steel solution designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With precision metric and SAE scales, these wrenches give you the perfect fit every time, reducing slippage and damage to nuts and bolts. Built from durable, high-quality steel, they're engineered to last through heavy-duty projects while maintaining smooth, reliable adjustments. Whether you're tackling plumbing, automotive work, or home repairs, the CMMT12001 set makes every job easier, faster, and more precise. Don't settle for less. Bring the reliability of CRAFTSMAN into your hands today. 3. Crescent AT24VS. Meet the Crescent 4 Adjustable Black Oxide Wrench, your ultimate go-to tool for precision and durability. Designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this carded wrench delivers a perfect grip and easy adjustability for all your fastening needs. The sleek black oxide finish not only looks great, but also resists corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, home projects, or general maintenance, the Crescent 4-inch adjustable wrench makes every job easier and more efficient. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your toolbox today with a tool you can trust. 2. MAXPOWER MXP220. Upgrade your toolbox with this versatile adjustable wrench set, featuring three popular sizes, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch, to handle a variety of gripping, holding, and twisting tasks with ease. Designed for comfort and safety, the non-slip ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, and the handy hook at the end allows for easy wall storage. With a wide jaw capacity, 15/16-inch for the 6-inch and 8-inch wrenches, and 1 to 1/8 inches for the 10-inch, and a smooth knurl adjustment, you get a precise, tight fit every time. The dual SAE and metric scales make reading measurements simple, perfect for sizing nuts, pipes, and tubes. Ideal for home, garage, or workshop use, this wrench set is perfect for tackling all your general maintenance projects with confidence. 1. WORKPRO SUVELAM. Upgrade your DIY game with this two-piece adjustable wrench set, featuring 6-inch and 10-inch wrenches, perfect for a variety of household tasks, from plumbing fixes and furniture assembly to bike repairs and garage projects. Crafted from durable, drop-forged chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant black oxide finish, these wrenches are built to last in everyday home and workshop use. Dual laser-etched SAE and metric scales make precise adjustments fast and effortless, while the smooth worm gear ensures a secure, slip-free grip. With clearly defined jaw capacities, 15/16 inches, 24 millimeters for the 6-inch, and 1 to 5/16 inch, 33 millimeters for the 10-inch, this set handles nuts and bolts from M6 to M20 with ease. Ergonomic rubberized handles reduce hand fatigue, and handy hanging holes, plus a compact size, make storage a breeze. A must-have for any DIYer or homeowner looking for versatility and quality in one toolbox-friendly set. That wraps up our roundup of the top 5 best adjustable wrenches for 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just need a reliable wrench for home projects, one of these picks is sure to make your toolbox a lot more versatile. Don't forget, All the product links are conveniently listed in the description below, so you can check them out and grab the one that's right for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tool reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching.